ever been on a site where they're framing and you see a 2x4 attached to an outside wall like this, and you've got a post in the middle of it and it's all curved up like this, what the framers are trying to do is actually pull the beam in. A lot of the time what happens is the Parallams, they end up getting curved, because if you look at like a flatbed truck, they've all got a bit of a curve to them, and these things get strapped down super tight to the flat deck, and through transportation, sometimes, frequently, these things have a bit of a curve to them. So this is the framers figuring out a way to suck that in. Conversely, we can also push it out by adding pressure going from the bottom here and kind of reefing on it forward. Yeah, it's kind of a cool little framing trick. I love framing.